Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're going well and I am finally back, and here is Yoga Instagram. But these files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, follow this page. I will provide every video first here like a YouTube channel, and here is Telegram. Visit my new website sherryskpro.com and subscribe this Telegram channel. I will provide every notification of video or any update first here. Okay, so here is very simple. Just open and import yoga photo. Here is a text and here is the image header. Here is a design, leaf design. Okay, and next is a background. First red. Okay, image header, extract. We need image, we need basically yoga image, but I don't have any photo like this, but like this. Okay, drag here. Depend your own choice. Enter, Control S, and you see our photo is here. Control Shift U, Control S, and here is same thing here, just shape is change. You can change background like this one. Okay, and image is here. You can import two images here in this. Black and white. Control S, and you see now second image is here. Okay, I say again, these files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take care, love it.